Rain dripping through the trees, a creek running close by, gurgling, rolling over the rocks, filling the creek beds with joy. In the background, I hear the ocean roaring against the shore. Water, water, the giver of life, is everywhere this day. But never do I forget how precious this element is. For water is what sustains us all, everyone in every form. Unless you are an air fern, but even you get water that falls. I love being out in the woods on days like this, listening to the water dripping, listening to the creeks flow. It is such an honor to be one of the guardians who has come to Earth to assist in making sure that the Earth is protected and that we all remember from whence we came. For humans have in many ways forgotten their place in the nature of things. But I know today and every day henceforth, the awakening will bring us all home again.